going to show you how to make a simple butterfly. First, you do this, and then this. More like bunny ears. Then, do the same on the other side. Like this. Then, you draw a half circle, and then you draw a little tiny body, but thick, in the bottom. Draw cute eyes and a cute mouth. You can add some spots. And that's how you make a simple butterfly. It's a short video, I know, but it's still cute. Goodbye. See you next time.